Are you missing important emails because Gmail muted them without you knowing? Learn how to find and unmute any muted conversation in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type to reveal all muted emails, then how to unmute them in just a few taps. Start on the Gmail homepage, where all your emails are listed. Then click on the search bar at the very top of the page. Now type "is muted" into the search bar and press enter. Gmail will then show you all your muted email conversations. To unmute an email, click on the muted email you want to restore. Next, click on the three dots icon at the top of the email view. Finally, click on Unmute from the drop-down menu, and that email will be back in your regular inbox. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.